In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Cash App loans. So the first thing you need to do is you need to make sure that you are eligible to receive these loans. So the thing is, Cash App doesn't publish exact criteria, but eligibility is generally based on regular direct deposits into Cash App, consistent app activity and spending history, account in good standing with no violations. Your account must be fully verified with your full name, your date of birth, and social security number. You also need to be located in a supported state. So if you don't see the borrow button for whatever reason, which should be right over here where it says borrow, then that is why Cash App unfortunately does not have this out for every single user. So now we need to talk about how it actually works. So obviously you know what you're getting yourself into. So the loan range is between $20 to $500 with a 5% flat fee. And the repayment period is every 4 weeks, and there is a late fee with 1.25 per week if overdue. So if you see this borrow button, please go ahead and select on start. And then once again, it is going to walk you through the instructions. So the good thing about this is that there is no credit check. You can receive cash instantly, and there's only a 5% flat fee. So go ahead and press on continue. And then you're able to actually pick how you want to unlock borrow. So you can spend $500 a month with your card. And then basically you need to use your Cash App card for everyday spending where Visa is accepted. Or you guys could deposit $300 a month in paychecks. So you can send your paycheck directly to your Cash App balance. So the way the repayment works is that Cash App is going to automatically deduct the repayment from your balance on the due date. So you can also pay it back early at any time with no penalty as well. So if you can't repay on time, a grace period may be offered. So again, keep that in mind, but you never want to mess around with this and stuff like that, because obviously you always want to pay on time. So they'll give you two different options. Then you can press on continue, and then it is going to say green status in progress. So you're able to earn green status by spending $500 each month with your Cash App card or with a Cash App Pay. So that's definitely pretty cool if you do ask me. Then over here, it's going to walk you through the benefits. So unfortunately, this isn't something that you can do instantly. It is an entire process, but this is basically how you're able to go ahead and start it, along with all the terms and conditions. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.